Hello, Resi Drivers. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're Zimbabwean and you're in Zimbabwe and you've got a smartphone, then this video is for you. I would advise you to watch this video till the end because not doing so may cost you $100 a month, even 150 or 200. That's a lot of money in Zimbabwe. It goes a long way. I'm talking about how to make money online and to actually get paid. Now, I have made a couple of videos covering this topic, but in this video, I will give you other ways on top of what I've already covered in other videos. I will give you other ways to make money online. Now then, how do you make money online, or what are the other ways to make money online and actually get paid if you're in Zimbabwe, if you're in Africa? I mean, we have common methods that we already know about, but unfortunately, there are some people, some Zimbabweans, who may not be aware that there's money to be made out there, especially if you've got a smartphone. I know we spend a lot of time on social media. We spend a lot of time consuming content. And unfortunately, as Zimbabweans, we like drama as well. I can see that because I'm also a Zimbabwean, and there are times when I like a bit of drama. I mean, that is natural. Entertaining things tend to draw our attention the most. However, in 2024 and beyond, we should be focusing more on things that actually improve our lives, because as Zimbabweans especially, we are crying, we want our lives to improve, we want our lives to become better. We're always talking about these things. So why don't we, while we wait for other things to improve, why don't we do something, take measures to improve our lives in the meantime? So anyway, what are the ways that you can make money online as long as you've got a smartphone? Now, if you do your research and you want to find out the best platforms or platforms that pay content creators the most, at the top of that list, you've got YouTube. I know it takes a lot of work for one to get monetized on YouTube. I have to be honest about that. It is a real grind to actually get monetized on YouTube. You have to work. But as with anything in life, you have to work for it. Nothing is handed to us on a silver platter. So YouTube is one way you can make money online. And if you don't know how to start a YouTube channel, the good news is I've put together a course for beginners that is on my website. Now, I will put the link of that course in the description. It is a free course that I thought, you know what? I know there are people who want to start YouTube channels, but they don't know where to begin. So you can start a YouTube channel. As long as you've got a smartphone, you're good to go. You don't even need a computer to start a YouTube channel. And if you've got a computer at home, the better. And you might say, oh, but I've got no access to Wi-Fi or the internet. I know that in Zimbabwe, you can go to town, you can go to the CBD, go to Eastgate, go to Westgate, or whatever mall that is got free Wi-Fi. You can access free Wi-Fi in some places. There are certain spaces that you can go to access free Wi-Fi. When I went to Zimbabwe last December, I was able to do this. And I understand as well that you can access Wi-Fi or the internet using certain services. I'm trying to think of the phrase because I was on this space the other day listening to people talking about remote working from Zimbabwe, and someone mentioned that there is a facility, there is a phrase, but if I manage to record the phrase, I'll put it on the screen. Unfortunately, the space wasn't recorded. So basically what they were saying is there is a service where someone who wants access to the internet can go to town or to the CBD and pay like $20 a month to have that access, unlimited access to the internet, and then you pay $20 a month. I think it's a bargain if you ask me. So yeah, starting a YouTube channel, and like I said, I put together a course. It's free, and at the end of that course I issue a certificate. So yeah, check it out. As I said, the link is in the description. Another platform that pays content creators very well, good money, is TikTok. And on TikTok, it is very easy to go viral, especially if you're just starting out. I mean, I opened my TikTok account. It was towards the end of May or beginning of July, thereabouts. So August, September, we're now in September, and I already got more than 1,000 followers. That's like 3 months. So if you open the TikTok account and you commit to posting on a daily basis or every week, if you can't afford to post every day, because on TikTok you don't have to make long videos. I mean, you can make up to 10-minute videos, but you can make like 15-second videos, 30-second videos, 1-minute videos. I mean, as I said, up to 10 minutes. At least that's what I'm allowed at the moment on my account. So you can easily do that. And you may ask, so what do I make my content on? what I would advise anyone who's starting a YouTube channel or anyone starting a TikTok account, what I would advise is to lead with value. It is always wise to lead with value. What that means is post quality content. Don't just post anything. Post content that is good quality content, content that is useful to people. I mean, you can make content on anything, but what I'm saying is make that content, whatever type of content that you make it good quality content. So if you like cooking, for example, you can make videos about cooking. You can make videos showing people or showcasing your favorite recipes. That is something that you can do. Or if you like knitting, you can also do a knitting channel. That is a niche channel. There are always people who are fascinated. There are always people looking for those patterns. There are always people wanting to know how to knit. Another way you can make money online as a Zimbabwean who is in Zimbabwe is through affiliate marketing. Now, I'll give you a real example. Let's say you make a video showing people how to cook salsa. Now, as you make that video, you're going to use kitchen utensils. You're going to use a pot. You're going to use cooking sticks. And you're going to use a plate if you're going to also show the finished product. You will use a plate or even mugwaku. So how affiliate marketing works in such a situation is you can put links of where you bought those kitchen utensils from. In my case, I use Amazon because I am an Amazon affiliate marketer. So whenever I make a video showing people how to make something, how to cook salsa, how to make strawberry juice using a juicer, every utensil that I use, I always put a link of that thing. Even when I make videos saying, oh, get ready with me, and I'm using a mascara, I can put a link to that mascara in the description, because when someone watches my video and they like the mascara that I'm using, or they like the pot that I'm using, or they like my cast iron that I'm using, whatever it is that I'm using in my videos, you can put that link in the description so that whoever is watching your videos, if they are curious about whatever it is that you're using in that video, they can simply click the link and go and buy the product, and you get paid a commission. Now, for you to start getting paid that commission, you have to join the affiliate program. And I believe that in Zimbabwe, you can buy from Amazon. You can buy online from Amazon. So it is worth double checking how things work when it comes to affiliate marketing. And also, if there are any other shops that do affiliate marketing in Zimbabwe, then that is something that is worth looking into. And also, when you make your videos online, if there's a company that wants you to talk about their products as you make your videos, then you can dedicate like 1 minute of your video talking about their product, and they pay you for that. That's how people make money on YouTube. They don't make money just through ads. There are several ways to make money. You can make money through advertising for other people, and also you can make money by selling your own products. You can sell things like digital products. I've just told you about my online course, how to start a YouTube channel. You can make a video talking about your product as long as it is relevant to your channel, as long as you find a way to talk about that product. For example, what I've done in this video, I did it on purpose. I'm talking about how you can make money online. And one of the ways I've said you can start a YouTube channel. And I've told you about my YouTube course, one that I put together for you for free. So in my situation, it's free, but there are other people who charge for online courses. I have another online course, which is also free, because at the moment, I just want to give them for free. But I also sell other digital products that are not free. I have an ebook. I wrote my first book, which is in hard copy, but it's also in ebook format, which is easier for other people to access. So I also put those links in the description so that whoever wants to check those books out can check them out. And if someone decides to buy, then that's money coming my way. So that's how you make money. You get creative. I mean, these days it's easy to make $100 a month, $200. You can easily make that money online. So imagine if you're in Zimbabwe and you can make $100, $200, even $50 a month. That's something. It is something. It's better than nothing. Now, another way to make money online, and this is becoming more and more common nowadays, is by finding or looking for a remote job. Now, remote jobs are great in that you can work from anywhere, basically. And as I was doing a bit of digging, I found this website called Worker. This is great for Africa. It will work for Zimbabwe as well. So pretty much you can work from anywhere, as I said. So I would advise anyone looking for a job, if you've got your computer, you've got good access to the internet, then check this website out. I mean, there's no harm in trying. Another platform that is becoming more and more popular is called Sagabo. This is good for Africa as well. It's a survey website. You simply download the app and then you sign up to do surveys. So best to check every day to see if there's a survey available for you. I mean, if you go on the website, it will tell you everything. It will give you instructions. They even have some videos explaining how things work, how you can get paid, and so on. So like I said, it's worth a try. Even if you make 100 a month, that is something. Now, when it comes to getting paid in Zimbabwe, I understand that things can be challenging. I understand that there are challenges. But what I'm going to do in this video, first of all, I will say this. Please check with the Zimbabwean authority, double check the guidelines, the restrictions, and so on. I don't want to get anyone into trouble. But what I'll do is I'll just list some of the ways that I found as I was doing my digging, some of the ways that are possible. I will use the word possible. I'm not saying everything that I'm going to suggest in this video will work, but it's possible they will. Now, I will mention PayPal, but I understand that PayPal has got some challenges. Although it is accessible in Zimbabwe, I understand that you can send money via PayPal and receive via PayPal. But the challenge comes when it comes to direct online transferring, or when it comes to linking your PayPal account to your bank account. So when it comes to PayPal, for now, I'll put a question mark. If you're in Zimbabwe, please let us know in the comment section, because this video is to help one another as to how best to navigate our challenges, especially if you're in Zimbabwe. If you've managed to do this, if you're getting paid, for example, if you've got an online job, if you do remote work and you're able to get paid using PayPal straight to your bank account, or if they can pay you somehow using PayPal, let us know in the comment section. It will be helpful to others. Now, the second, or this could be an alternative to PayPal if you can't use PayPal. The second method is to use Skrill. Now, I understand that Skrill is a much better alternative to PayPal. It's more accessible in Zimbabwe, and Zimbabweans can actually link Skrill to their local bank accounts. However, having said that, it is always worth to double check. But from my digging, I gathered that Skrill is a much better alternative to PayPal. So that is the second way that you can get paid if you're in Zimbabwe. You can send money through Skrill, you can receive money, and it is easier, much easier, to link it to your local bank account. That is my understanding. Again, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section. If you do remote work, or if you get paid online, how do you get paid online? Other methods include bank transfers and cards. There are certain companies that can actually transfer money into your bank, straight into your bank. They can do wire transfer, and you can use Visa and MasterCards. I understand as well there are some challenges, and it might be less common in Zimbabwe from what I've been reading and from what I've discovered reading several articles. Some people have got no problems, while others face challenges. That's why I say these things I'm suggesting in this video are possible, because it is successful for some people, unsuccessful for other people. So if you're in Zimbabwe and you're earning money online, if you're doing remote work, if you're earning money via a platform like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, please let us know how you're getting paid, because I know there are a lot of people out there who don't know where to start. They don't know how to actually get paid. This is a real challenge for most people. For now, this is what I have, and I'll put other methods on the screen. So what you need to do is look at the methods, see which one is more realistic for you, and try it out. You never know, because at the end of the day, if you don't try, you never know